All right, I'm at a Appa Hotel and Resort. This is in Nishi Shinjuku, Gachahome, LK Tower. I know I spelled it wrong, or said it wrong, but let's go in. All right, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. We're gonna walk in. Go ahead. People coming in here. It looks like a nice hotel. Looks kind of glamorous, almost. All right, we're just gonna walk in. People. And then as soon as you walk in, there's mirrors everywhere, and then there's a check-in right up there. Just gonna walk in over here, get our bags, and walk in. It's pretty nice, pretty sweet. Guests are like waiting around. Just take a look at it around a little bit. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna turn it off for now, but I'll turn it back on later. Check in, and it's pretty much automated.
Could you choose your language first?
So go and select all that.
Please
and
enter your
put in
reservation name.
everything. Alright, I'm working my way down to the room. I'm going to show you the room first, and then I'm going to show you the bathtubs, the public baths. They're pretty nice, so they say. So I'm going to get to the room. Here we go. Alright, getting to the room, and I'm just going to go in. And this is the room. Says, as soon as I get here, it says, please insert the key. So I'm going to insert the key right here. Boom. The lights come on, and this is the room. It's just a standard smaller room. It looks kind of small, but it's okay. I'm a light traveler. I don't need a lot of space. As you see right here, you have garbage cans right here. And then you have slippers down there. That's for using the public baths and spa. This is the bedroom. Right here, have a double twin size bed, a lot of controls in there. Let's see right there, you can plug in some things like USB and plugs to charge your phone. Turn on the lights for the bathtub, the bathroom, the desk light, the ceiling lights, as well as the air conditioning controls right there. You have a clock down there. And over here you have a basic desk for working. Right here, pretty cool. And then there's a pot for boiling water to make tea or coffee or whatnot. And the TV is right here. The ceilings, that's the light right here. I'm gonna show you the bathroom really quick. Let me go in here. And in the bathroom, it's your toilet, your bidet. Toilet with some controls right here so you can wash your backside pretty well. And then like basic soap, hand wash. And then right here is the tub for sitting in there and soaking. And that's pretty much the bathroom. There's a shower right there. I'm gonna show you the public bath next. All right, thanks a lot. Also a refrigerator in the room where you can put some things in there as well.